If you think that shopping is a cure to your boring outfits, it's not. I will prove it to you in the next couple of minutes using nothing but a scarf, 2 shirts, and a lot of unhinged energy. Here's the thing. My closet was full, yet all my outfits on life support. The same thing would happen every morning. It would be me, my closet, and the same 3 tops fighting for custody of my short torso. And at some point, my bank account decided to go into witness protection and hide from me because I just kept causing damage to it. I kept buying more and more clothes, hoping the next haul would fix everything that was wrong with my closet and everything that was wrong with my life. Spoiler alert, it did not. So one morning, I snapped. Maybe it's because my bank account was no longer speaking to me, yet my style was still flatlining, and I just decided to get reckless. I went into my closet, reached for a scarf, and I turned it into a top. And I wore it as a top. And I kept playing with my closet. And what this showed me was that my closet was not broken, my imagination was. So the further back into the closet I reached and pulled out the pieces I'd neglected, I found that those pieces gave me the most runway energy once I started styling them wrong on purpose. So what I learned is when I thought I needed a new wardrobe, what I really needed was to get a little bit unhinged or a lot unhinged. And if my closet can come back from the dead, yours can too. So let's break it all the way down. Here are 3 moves to make your style feel alive again. Step 1. You're going to rip your closet apart like it owes you money. Welcome to the joy, chaos, or benched test. What is that, you ask? Well, you're going to get into the nooks and crannies of your closet and pull everything out. And then you're going to perform America's Next Top outfit on your closet. And what you're going to do is you're going to have to eliminate some clothes. That's just the reality of step 1. So you're going to hold a piece of clothing, and if it sparks joy or chaos, she gets to go back into the closet. She moves on to the next round. If she doesn't, she gets benched. I guarantee you're going to find a lot of items to bench, and you're going to gather them all up, put them in a bag, and leave that lying around for 6 months. If in the next 6 months you don't reach into that bag to grab anything, that bag needs to get donated. It's just taking up space in your closet and your life, and you need to let it go so you can make space for clothes that are aligned with you now. Okay? Good. Step 2. You're going to take some of the contestants that survived the elimination round, and you're going to style them wrong on purpose. Your 2 shirts, they're now a skirt. Your old blazer, it's a strapless dress now. Your dress, it's now a top. I want you to play with your closet and style things wrong. And this is why this works. Our brains crave novelty. So when you take a piece of clothing and flip its role, it feels exciting. It's tricking your brain, and it honestly feels like shopping without the credit card bill. Step 3. Promote your accessories. Some of you are acting like accessories are extras, whereas they need to be the lead role in your closet. A belt says this was intentional. Sunglasses hide the fact that you're running on iced coffee and vibes. An outfit is not complete until you add accessories. That's just the truth. Accessories anchor an outfit. And this is exactly why a simple outfit feels so elevated once you add some jewelry or a belt or sunglasses. It's because accessories just anchor the look and finish it all off. So you need your accessories to stop being extras, babe. They're now the main character of your closet. Act like it. A week of doing this, and I promise you, you'll have people asking if you went shopping, and you get to look them in the eye and say, nope, I just broke into my own closet at 3 a.m. like a wild raccoon, and this is the result. I want you to remember this. Fashion is not necessarily about new clothes. Though new clothes are nice, I love a new outfit, don't get me wrong, but I think fashion is about new delusions. So if your style is boring you to death, before you spend more money and send your bank account into cardiac arrest, Experiment. Turn your shirts into skirts. Give your jewelry a redemption arc. Get so crazy and wild that strangers have both questions and concerns about your mental health. Make sure you subscribe, and I promise you we'll keep raiding our closets together and finding our next best outfits. But for now, that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.